Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm so happy to do a new video for you guys. Today I will be doing a first impressions and eye tutorial on this new palette that it's new to me because I just brought it. I just got it in the mail from Ulta. They were having a good sale. This is the chocolate gold palette by Too Faced, and I will share my thoughts with you guys, and I will do an eye tutorial, so make sure you stay tuned. finish my makeup, my eye look. So right now I am going to give you guys my thoughts, my first impressions of the palette. And this is the Too Faced Chocolate Gold palette. And the packaging itself is just stunning. Look, you have gold dripping down on the palette, and here it says chocolate gold, which I think this is so cute. It's really unique. All the other palettes don't look like this. Kind of looks like 3D, so I thought that was pretty cool. Then you go and you open the palette, and then you have all of these beautiful shades, and these colors are so gorgeous. The lighting here is really bad, so I'm sorry. You have this green in the corner, this gold. You have some silvers and browns and pinks and purples, and you have some matte colors. I honestly think that this palette it's really good. And this palette, would I recommend it to anyone? Yes, I would. I feel like this palette is really good. I feel that the payoff on the colors, the pigments, they're so vibrant and they look really good on my eye. I didn't even need to wet my brush to get the full color of the pigment, so I think that is a huge plus. Another thing is that when I dip my brush into it, there is not a lot of fallout, so that is a huge plus for me. I was able to use all the mattes in here, and the main thing that attracted me to this eyeshadow palette is all the metallic colors in it. Now, it is hard to find a eyeshadow palette now that has, there are 16 eyeshadows in this palette. Only 4 are matte and the rest are metallics, which I think that's really good because palettes nowadays, they're all about mattes, and you don't really have, I'm a type of girl, I like shiny stuff on my eyes, I like glitter, I like metallics. So I think with this eyeshadow palette, you're able to get a variety of different looks if you are into the metallics eyeshadow. And the good thing is you don't need to wet your brush to get the full pigment, like the full like kapow of these eyeshadows. So I think that's really, really good. I'm like really happy that I brought this palette. I am a makeup artist, so this will be going in my kit. I will play with it maybe a few more times and do, you know, some tutorials. If you guys want, leave a comment down below, let me know. And yeah, so the eyeshadows, the matte colors, they blended out really nice. They were really, like, how do you say it, like as soon as I put it on my eye, it was just, it felt so easy to blend. Like it was real buttery. Like I remember I just put it right here and I was just like, oh my god, this does not feel like any other eyeshadow palette that I do have, because usually I'll feel like it's a little stiff. Like I don't know how to explain it. I am using a new eyeshadow primer today. It could be that. I wonder. I'm gonna use that eyeshadow primer on, you know, something else and see, maybe it is that. But from what I can tell, the eyeshadows that I blended out today, they're really smooth, they're real creamy, they were easy to blend, and that's always a plus in my book. I didn't have any problems at all. So far I really, really like this palette, and it takes a lot for me to say I like a full palette. Even when I swatched the colors, the swatches were pretty good. One is Money Bag. This one is Chocolate Gold. This one is Rich Girl. This one is Cocoa Truffle Descendants. I have to learn how to swatch better on my arm. This one is Love and Cocoa. This one is Old Money. New Money. Famous. Class and Sassy. So Bougie. Holla for a Dollar. Gold Drip. Living Lavish. Dripping Diamonds, and Rolling in the Dough. You can't see that because it's basically the color of my skin. So the colors that I used on my eyes were Holla for a Dollar, Gold Drip, and Cocoa Truffle Descendant, and Rolling in the Dough. and so bougie at the bottom. If you guys see my last video, you know that I had a little concerns about some of the eyeshadows, but every eyeshadow palette is different. Doesn't mean that it's bad, it's just sometimes you have to do a little bit more work with it. So overall, I give this a big thumbs up. So this was definitely going to stay in my stash.